February 9, 2025, Super Bowl Sunday. As we check what's going on here, Super Bowl Sunday inside Aliante Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. All right. So you got bottles here from Market. This is the restaurant. All right. So that is the rewards. So this is the high limit slot area. Limit slot area. All right, the game is on. That's the casino cage. So it looks like there's no bingo today. No bingo. So it will be interesting to watch because people are on the sports book. This is where it's at. So they're playing the commercials, the new commercials, just to show you how there is seating, people who are watching. And this is how it is full right now. Mhm. All right. So that's a lot of people. But let's just see what else is going on around here. So in the arcade area, see. All right. Nothing going on. Oh, okay. somebody is. All right. And then this is the Regal Cinema Studio Stadium 16. Hello. So this is the concession area. All right. And you can see the big screen is all the way down there. Then this is the food court right here, but let's just go here because it's Super Bowl Sunday today. Yep. And then there is this bar right here. Yeah, it's full of people. Ooh, 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 ooh. You see the reactions of the people. Uh, you can see all the people are full. Mm. All right. Nice. This is the view right there. Yes. People are all pumped up for the game. Mm. Then let's, yep. So this is the ETA lounge. Let's see. Let's go around here. All right. Mm.
Just one of those plays, he just kind of yanks it a little bit down as he releases it slowly.
You could see that there is perfect party. There are lounges for party. Mm. All right. Mm-hmm. All the table games right here. Yep, people playing table games. Table games. Uh, and so if you want to have some Starbucks coffee, it's right here. And they have the Salted Lime restaurant, wherein looks like they're also playing the game on their TVs. And notice the bottles, the design on their bar area. So nice. Okay. Okay, it looks like the TGIF Fridays. Uh-oh. Looks like the TGIF Fridays close. Oh. So this is the TGIF Fridays, and it looks like this location closed. Yeah, because before they have the sign in here. So that is sad. So TGIF Fridays here, and Aliante Hotel and Casino. Yeah, looks like it's closed. This is the spot right here. And so that's the way to the hotel, conference center, pool. And so, yeah. And then this is an access theater. Looks like there is an event going on. Yeah, looks like there's an event going on. Oh, looks like, oh, it looks like a watch party, Super Bowl watch party. And so, and then there's this other bar right here wherein there's a lot of people too. Mm, okay. And so that Market Sea and Land restaurant is closed for today. So this is Super Bowl Sunday, February 9, 2025, here in Aliante Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. So this is what's going on. If you like watching this video, give it a thumbs up. You have more walking tour videos to choose from on the next page. And if you find value watching my walking tour videos here in Las Vegas, Las Vegas walking tour videos, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.